Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay Patreon without credit card or PayPal. So as you can see, this is the official help center of Patreon and they have added like what are my members payment options. So if you scroll down, here is the first payment method, the credit debit card like Visa, Mastercard, Discover, JCB and Diners Club. Like these are the following cards that they accept, and after that the next is PayPal. Like if you are a member, if you have a PayPal account and you are a member of Patreon, so you will be able to do the payments. And the next option is Apple Pay. Like if you are using an iPhone or Apple device, so members paying in US dollars can choose Apple Pay from an authorized device when they first join your page, or they edit your membership afterwards. So you can choose Apple Pay instead of PayPal or credit card. And there's also a next option called Venmo. Like US members can also choose this option called Venmo. And there another payment method, like there is support. So we are no longer accepting, like there is an important note, like they are no longer accepting the new accounts or new memberships. But if you already having for like a membership with support, so we will continue to process your payments as expected. So as you can see, these are the payment methods that they are currently accepting: credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Venmo and so forth. So you can try them instead of credit card and PayPal, but make sure that you are a member of Patreon. After that you will be able to do it.